everyone, I'm Abhirami and today we are here at California Burritos celebrating something pretty exciting. California Burrito have just opened their 100th store in India. And we are here at this store to interact with customers to know their funny stories and their delicious orders. So come, let's go to the store.
Maxilicious.
So do you remember your first California Burrito experience and when was this? What made you come back for more?
Yeah, it was actually with my ex, and I don't want to remember it, but yeah.
They make it fresh in front of you. It's not that expensive, and it's higher quality than others.
It was 2 years ago, and my uncle got it for me, and it was really good.
Yeah, I remember. It was like a year ago. My friend recommended me to order. She's like, it's nice, try. I was a bit skeptical about it, but it turned out to be great.
I wasn't a burrito fan, but as soon as I ate this burrito, I just love burritos now.
Yeah, this is our first California burrito. Same.
Yeah, it was pretty nice.
I didn't know what to expect from this taste. It was very nice.
What's your ultimate CB order, the one you would recommend to a first timer?
I usually buy the burritos with Mexican paneer. He goes with the rice bowls.
Cheesy chipotle quesadilla.
Anything paneer, like Mexican paneer or barbecue paneer with like chocodilla.
I mean, I think Mexicans are missing out on paneer.
The tomatillo salsa here is really good. Like a chicken chipotle burrito.
My go-to order is usually has to do with mushrooms. I love the crispy mushroom.
Peri peri potato, mini.
Peri peri potato and mushroom rice bowl that we take.
I prefer salads. I don't eat this burrito well, so it always spills over. So I just eat it like with the roti and I start like eating with the rice.
Should be any chicken rice bowl or quesadilla, and with a churro for sure. Big sweet tooth.
Mushroom bowl. That's all.
Usually it's the tacos for me, but today these burrito bowls are really nice.
Say if you were in charge of CB for one day, what's the one dish you will add to their menu?
Oh, that's a very difficult question to answer.
It's actually a good question. I want to add more quantity of churros. It's not an item I want to add. So I think like how you have popcorns in a bucket. I think it'll be amazing if you have like churros in a bucket with like a chocolate dip. It'll be crazy amazing, and I think it will sell a lot.
The tacos with cactus. I would like to add like a choco taco.
I would try to make something new with the churros.
Personally, I don't like vegetables. I would remove vegetables.
I think I'm happy with the current menu. There's something new if they can add.
I would add fish tacos. Tacos, that's best goes with the fish.
I don't think I want to change anything.
Yeah, nothing else. That's it. Actually love the menu.
So CB just hit 100 stores in India. What do you feel about this?
Yeah, I think it's great.
It's something nice to feel about, like they're expanding and many people can try out how good their menu is.
Really excited, more places to go eat.
I'm surprised. I'm very happy. You can see the happiness, yeah.
Well, I will personally thank California Burrito for actually treating us everyone. It's like everyone is included in this celebration.
I'm happy. I hope it expands more, much more.
So it's pretty nice. Like a Bangalore startups going with. Has no store in Sarjapur where I live, so it's really disappointing. It is in Bangalore.
A pleasant shop.
I mean, I wish them luck.
Okay, and any one word or sentence that comes to your mind when you think of CB?
A healthy food.
It can't be described in a sentence. Maxilicious. Oh, I know.
Amazing. Healthy and affordable.
Mouth-watering Mexican food.
Heartily congratulations, CB.
Congratulations, CB.
Congratulations, CB.
Congratulations, CB.
Congratulations, CB.
Congratulations, CB. I'm really happy and thank you.
Congratulations, CB!